Hi, today I'm going to make this very cute SpongeBob SquarePants handbag or favor bag. Very easy to make. Perfect for children. Materials required are I'm using a green colored ribbon, you can use anything, and this is a yellow colored card paper. Then thin papers in dirty green, brown, pink, blue, white and black. So I've taken this yellow colored sheet card paper which is about 42 centimeters wide. So I'll just divide it into 4 parts. So starting with, since I want the face of the bag to be wider than the sides, so I'll just make it at 14 and then 6 centimeters, so that's 20, then 14 again and 6 more, so you have a little bit left on one side. This will be the part which will be stuck over. So I'll just draw vertical lines on it. So just measure it again. And then just join these lines. Like this. So I'll just mark about 4 centimeters on one side. And just connect the lines. Sorry, the points. Like this. Now where these smaller areas are, the side area, so I'll just cut out small triangles. Like this, and on this one also. Like so. Now I'll just take a paper knife and score on all these lines lightly. And even on the baseline. Like this. After doing that, I'll just cut off this extra bit on the base, like this, and now just fold these lines. So because they're scored, it will be very easy to fold. Just bend it over and you get neat folds. Like this. So I'll just fold on all of them. So this is how it looks. Now just open it out again first, and with a very light hand just draw scallops on top, running scallops, And they don't need to be even or anything, just I don't know if you can see, very light ones. So I'll just cut these out now. Now on the broader side, which is 14 centimeters wide, so I'll just put 2 points at about 4.6 from this side also, so that's about here. And then just take a punch of any shape that you like and punch it. So this is how it will look on both the white sides. Now just turn it over and I'm going to close the box. So first I'll start from the side, just apply glue on the extra bit. And stick it under the other side. Like this. Now I'll just stick the base also, which will look like this. So first these overlapping flaps, just apply glue on one. Put your hand in and just press it. And then these smaller ones. Like this. Just let it stand and let it stick. After the box is stuck well like this, so now I'll just take the white paper, take the scale. Now since the width of the box is 14 centimeters, I'm going to make eyes about 5 centimeters diameter. So just take 2.5. Just draw 2 circles. So you can even use printer paper if you wish for this. I'll draw the other one also and cut it out. So this is how it will look. Now just stick it, just apply glue. So you have to stick it, close to the eyes. Like this. From the blue and the black paper, I've cut identical, pupils and the eye area. So this will just come like this on the eye, and this will come in the center of the blue area, like so. So I'm just assembling them all. So I'll stick the eyes now. Just apply glue. And this will come in the center of this area, half of the area. Just adjust it accordingly. similarly on this one. This curve and this curve should be the same height, so just see that. If you wish, you can always keep a picture of SpongeBob in front of you and then do it. And similarly, now I'll just stick the eyes. And stick the black on it. So this is how it will look. Now I'll just take the brown paper, measure 10 centimeters on it, because that is the distance of the outer edge of the eyes, like so. And now just make a smile, the wide mouth smile that he has. So from here I'll just connect these points. And make a bigger smile. Like this. I'll cut it out. So after I've cut both the circles, just put them together, one on top of the other, and on one side just draw a kind of a semicircle, just a little bit. So this will be the cheek. Like so. And then just cut it out. So when you open them and you paste it like this, so you will get the two cheeks. So I've cut two pieces for the teeth with a slight curve on top, and these I'm going to stick like this, with a little gap, like so. Now cut out the tongue from the pink paper, so I'll just apply glue. Stick it below the teeth. Like so. I've cut the small piece for the nose. So just apply some glue. And stick it like this between the eyes. Like this. Now I've taken these color pens, which I forgot to mention in the materials. So I'm just going to use them to outline. So first I'll start with the black. So just outline. You can even use paint if you wish. So since I'm going to make it thick, like this. So I'll do both the eyes like this. So this is how it will look. Now I'll just take the pink pen and draw the cheek below it, the chin line, sorry. So this will just come below the tongue and close to the mouth. From the green paper, the dull green paper, I've cut these oval shapes and circles, you know, big and small. So these I'm going to stick. So for instance, this bigger piece I'm going to stick here. I'll take a smaller one. So this way I'm going to stick all of them around the face. Now with the black again, I'm going to draw the lashes. So these are just basically 3 straight lines, slightly thick. And similarly on this side. Like so. Now take the red colored pen and with this, you know, just draw the cheek. So you have curve like this and this will come here like so. So just thicken it a bit. And then just draw 3 dots. Like this to show the freckles, and similarly I'll do the same on this side. So this is how it will look. Now I've cut a piece from the green ribbon, cut 2 pieces same length, just put them through these holes that we made. I've already done the other one, so just bring the ends together and tie a knot. Like this. Just pull it. We have the handle like this, and this is how the bag would look.